This 2026 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 380DQS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Brownstown Township, Michigan, 48192 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco and features Sleep 6, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.